We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Giovanni, who's gonna make something really good. What are we doing?
Italian dry rubbed wings.
Ooh.
First, we're gonna like basically brine these wings a little bit, okay? So we're just gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon on there, some salt, and a bunch of garlic. And I'm just gonna mix it all around. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple hours, but 24 hours is ideal, okay? Next thing we're gonna do, Lil, is we're gonna make our dry rub. Put some onion powder in there, garlic powder, some oregano, some dried parsley, some crushed red pepper, and then a little bit of sugar. And then a whole bunch of grated cheese. Just gonna give it a little mix. They've been brining for a little bit now.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna throw them in hot oil. So I'm just gonna test the oil. All right, Lil, I think we're ready. You see those bubbles?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna throw these in one by one, pull them out, and then we'll toss them with the dry rub.
Sounds good.
So we want this to be tossed when you take them right out of the oil so that the dry rub will adhere to the wing. Now, we give it a generous amount of the dry rub, and we toss. All right, we're gonna plate these now.
I love any kind of wing, but I would go for these first.
I'm telling you, Lil.
Just letting you know.
So there you go. Bring that to your next football party, Lil.
Yeah, you want to impress everyone, head to our website, news12.com, and the recipe will be there. Thanks, Giovanni.
Thank you, Lil.